Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, congratulations to you all for your brilliant success and promotion. And now you people are in 9th standard. So welcome to your new class. Dear students, as you know that you have completed your 3 chapters of physics in your 8th class and all the explanation except the last topic of chapter number 4. So today we will continue from the last topic of the chapter number 4. Okay, so before starting our lecture, first of all you have to note down your course content for the midterm examination 2021 to 2022. And as you see on your screen, the course content for midterm, chapter number 4, turning effect of forces, chapter number 5, gravitation, chapter number 6, work, power and energy, and chapter number 7, properties of matter. So you have your physics notebook, so you will continue your 9th class course from the same notebook. So if you have completed or if you have finished your notebooks, and then you will start chapter number 4 from the new notebook. Otherwise you will continue the same notebook, skip one page and write the course of 9th class, and after that you have to write the course content for the midterm examination. After the midterm course content, you will write very neatly and by using the blue and black marker and fountain pen, detention and pre-board paper format. So as you see on your screen, you will write the same pattern and follow the same procedure in your neat notebook, and follow the instructions that have given to you in your 8th class for the presentation. That how can you write the first letter of the headings in 2 lines, and all the headings will be in the block letters or capital letters. So you must follow the instructions of presentation. Now we will start our chapter, and the topic is stability, from book page number 121 to 123. So stability is a measure of how hard it is to displace an object or system from equilibrium. The conditions of equilibrium does not specify whether an object is stable or not. So the stable objects does not topple easily. The position of the center of mass of a body affects whether or not it topples over easily. This is important in the design of such things as tall vehicles which tend to overturn when rounding a corner. Or you can see the figure, the racing cars, the reading lamps, and even drinking glasses. Then it means that some things surrounding us are stable, some are unstable, and some are neutral. So on the basis of these study in statics, we will divide the states of equilibrium into 3 states, that are stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium, and the third one is the neutral equilibrium. As you see in the figure, that the first figure of the funnel, when you kept the funnel in this position and disturb it and release, then it will come back to its original state. So it is the stable equilibrium. The second one is the same funnel, but it is placed in this position. It will topple down and does not come back to its original state. So it is unstable equilibrium. And the third one, in this position of the funnel, the center of gravity will neither raise nor lower. Therefore, it is the neutral equilibrium. So the stable equilibrium, a body is said to be in stable equilibrium if it comes back to its original position when it is slightly displaced. When a body which is in stable equilibrium is disturbed, its center of gravity is raised, as you see in the figure. That example is a book lying on a table in stable equilibrium. Red dots show the center of gravity. When we disturb the book and pick it up from one side, then the center of gravity raised. Unstable equilibrium. A body is said to be in unstable equilibrium if it does not come back to its original state when it is slightly displaced. When a body which is in unstable equilibrium is disturbed, its center of gravity is lowered, as you see on your screen that the pencil is in vertical position and the black dot shows the center of gravity. When you disturb the pencil, then the center of gravity becomes lowered. So the example is the pencil standing on its point or a stick in vertical standing position. Neutral equilibrium. If a body is placed in such state that if it is displaced, then neither it topples over nor does it come back to its original position, then such state is called neutral equilibrium. When a body which is in neutral equilibrium is disturbed, its center of gravity is neither raised nor lowered, but it remains at the same height. As you see on your screen that the rolling ball in the figure, that black dot shows the center of gravity. So when you roll the ball, the center of gravity does not change its position. So it means that the rolling ball is in neutral equilibrium. Now here is another example of bowling ball stability. So in the first case, as you see, the ball is rolling and its CG is neither raised nor lowered. So therefore it is a neutral equilibrium. In the second figure, which is in the mid, when a ball is kept in a bowl, then when you disturb the ball in the bowl, then what happened? It will move back and forth or to and fro, but after some time it come back to its original state. So this is stable equilibrium. The third one, when you kept the ball in this position or over a bowl, then what happened? It does not come back to its original state when we disturb the ball. It means that this is unstable equilibrium. Here another example on your screen, that the funnel, the first condition is the CG becomes raised, in the second condition CG becomes lowered, and the third CG neither raised nor lowered. So these are stable, unstable and neutral equilibrium respectively. The same figure you can see on your screen, and you can see this figure on page number 121 also, that the first funnel is in vertical position. So it is unstable equilibrium because it topples down and does not come back to its original state. The second one, funnel, stable equilibrium. After disturbance and releasing, it will come back to its original state because its CG becomes raised. And in the third one, the CG, there is no effect on the CG position. CG means center of gravity. We can easily understand with the help of the example of a pencil. When we cap the pencil and pick it up from one side, then you can easily see that the center of gravity within the base, it means it will come back to its original state. Therefore, it is a stable equilibrium. The second one, when you placed a pencil in this position, then you can see that the CG is outside of the base. When we disturb it, then it topples down and does not come back to its original state. Therefore, it is the unstable equilibrium. While the third one, CG, when you place the pencil in this position, then there is no effect on the center of gravity position, neither raised nor lowered. Therefore, it is in the neutral equilibrium. The equilibrium is stable as long as the vertical line from the center of mass remains inside the area of the base of the body. As you see, that the CG is within the base, the CG is outside the base whenever you disturb that object, and it is at the center on the same position. So this is an example of the stability, that to stay balanced while walking the tight rope, this acrobat must keep his center of mass directly above the rope. If the center of the mass shifts to one side, gravity will exert a torque on the acrobat, tending to cause a rotation about the rope and he will fall. So to stay balanced, the acrobat must create a counter torque having equal magnitude and opposite sign. That is why the tightrope walker carry a long pole, because the torque due to a force is the product of magnitude of force and the moment arm. The gravitational forces on the ends of the pole exert significant torques. So the acrobat holds the pole low, moving his center of gravity closer to the rope. So by taking the center of mass vertically below the point of support makes state of the object a stable equilibrium. This mechanism is implied in various toys and equipments that restore themselves up when disturbed. Few examples as in picture, as you see on your screen, that a toy which is make heavy on the lower side, when you disturb that toy, then after some time when you release it, then it will come back to its original state. So to make it stable, to make balance. So CG always pass from the foot or base, then it will never fall. In this case, the beak of the bird becomes, this is a toy bird, so the beak of the bird becomes heavy, that it is the center of gravity. The whole weight appears at the beak of the bird. Therefore, it will placed in this position that you kept that bird or the beak of the bird at the tip of your finger and make it balance. So this is all about the stability. I hope that you will understand everything very clearly. In our next lecture, we will continue this chapter with assignment and numericals. Thank you for listening me. Allah Hafiz and take care.